in there, Chandler. Get that out.
Get that out of there, it's gonna die.
Chandler, take it out.
It's going ham.
Too late now.
At least one person here has somewhat heart.
He's gonna like bite.
Dude, that fucking rabbit's gonna bite your finger.
Don't let it jump out. That one's crazy.
It's rabid.
Oh, that is mean. That black one's mean.
Holy shit.
He fucking tapped.
I told you that was mean. Get him.
Stick your arm back in there.
There you go.
Justin, stick your arm in there.
Lane, you stick your arm in there. See how that works.
He's wearing long sleeves. It's like jumped at it.
That's so funny. What are you doing?
Oh, nothing.
Should I be scared to be sitting on here? What did you put in there?
Nothing.